Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to back up WhatsApp messages on Android. So first of all, on the Android device, just swipe up and just find your WhatsApp app. Just tap on it as well. And after here, when you just logged in, just tap on the top right corner of three dots as well. Just tap on its settings. After here, just scroll down and you will be just find the chat option. Just tap on it as well, and if you just scroll down in the last you will see the chat backup. Just click it, and from here you will just manage your Google account first of all. So select your Google account from here, and after you will be just turn it on this include videos, or also if you want to just use your backup using cellular data. So that's it, and after finalization just tap on it backup. So in this way you will just have to backup WhatsApp messages on Android. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.